Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix d3dx9_39.dll not found or missing error on your PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is to simply restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not, because for some people it fixed their problem related to this issue, right? And if it's not the case, if the problem still persists, then what I suggest you to do here is to install the latest version of Microsoft DirectX. Just open up your browser, just write DirectX and user runtime, or simply DirectX, and probably it will be the first link here, DirectX and user runtime web installer. Hit that, then select language and download setup. And once you download the setup, you should see something similar to this. Install it. You just need to press I accept agreement, hit next, deselect this option here and hit next again, and install latest DirectX. And look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, and if you want to, if you try to enter the game or app, what I suggest you to do here, if it's the game, open up your game client, go to library, right click on the game that you're getting this error, go to properties, go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your game files is corrupted and need to be fixed. Then hit browse, find the exe file, or simply on search, just write the name and, for example, Among Us, right click and open file location, and you will be here. Then find the exe file, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and basically make sure that this option and this option is not selected, right? And if it's not the case, then just try to reinstall the game or app. Just go to installed apps, and on installed apps, just find the app or game and uninstall and reinstall again. And if it's not working, then the next thing that I suggest you to do here is to open up CMD, CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then here you just need to write cfc/scan now, one word. And what it does, basically, it looks through all your computer files. As you can see here, verification process is 33% complete. After it hits, when it hits 100%, they will check all your files, and if there is some corrupted files, they will your computer will fix that, right? And then restart your computer again to look if the problem persists or not. And the last thing that I suggest you to do here is to update your operating system and your GPU drivers. And to do so, you just need to go to search, go to settings, Windows Update, and press check for updates and or install updates if there is some for you. Same thing with your GPU drivers, of course, depending on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called GeForce Experience. I can easily go to drivers, check for updates, and if there is an update for me that I need to download and install it, I can easily do that here. Or you can simply go to Device Manager, and then you just need to expand this option, Display Adapters, right click on your GPU, update driver, and search automatically for drivers here. And after all your steps and after all the changes that you do, just don't forget to restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.